Are you a parent, educator, or coach to a tween or teen? Growth spurts and acne are some of the obvious changes in these developing years, but have you also observed their wacky scatterbrain moments of forgetting uniforms on the way to practice or frantically typing an essay moments before it's due? You often find yourself shaking your head at the fact they haven't yet managed to lose theirs simply because it's attached. We often think these actions are intentional, lazy, and apathetic, but when a student misplaces her math binder twice in a week, there's a reason, and there's hope. For the past 15 years, I've helped students around the globe to become more organized, which has launched their academic success and improved the quality of their time and relationships. The key is understanding the concepts of executive functioning. Like a CEO of our company, our executive functions allow us to monitor the different departments of our brain. Teens and tweens especially tend to struggle with organization and regulation skills because the frontal lobes, where executive functions originate, are the last areas of the brain to fully develop. Yet, this is the age when multiple responsibilities begin to layer upon each other. The executive functioning disorder has also often been linked to depression, anxiety, ADHD, which are all very real issues amongst kids. The good news is that we now have the tools to more efficiently help children develop these skills by teaching them how to better plan, organize, manage time, pay attention, and process information. Not surprisingly, these techniques can help anyone to better manage and organize themselves to reach their goals. In this talk, I'd like to share with you the 5 most effective strategies. Executive functioning abilities don't develop all at once, but rather build upon each other. So by helping school-age children learn these simple skills, we are building a foundation upon which they can layer more tasks and responsibilities. And then they can grow to become confident, independent learners who are better able to engage in goal-directed action and accomplish long-term objectives. And then we can focus less on hunting down lost calculators and more on celebrating who they are, hormones and attitudes aside.